Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's constantly on the go, you know how crucial it is to have a reliable compact tool that can keep up with your hectic travel schedule without sacrificing styling power. Today, we're diving into the Conair Compact Hair Dryer with a folding handle, a travel-friendly blow dryer designed to make styling as effortless as possible. This little gem packs 75 watts of drying power into a compact, lightweight body, making it an ideal choice for frequent flyers or anyone who needs a blow dryer that can travel as easily as they do. With its dual voltage feature, this dryer is perfect for international travel, so no need to worry about adapters when hopping from country to country. Let's talk features. The Conair Compact Hair Dryer has 2 heat settings and 2 speed settings, giving you a good level of customization for your hair type and styling needs. Whether you're aiming for quick dry or more control for a sleek blowout, it covers both bases. It also includes a cool shot button, a game changer when you want to lock in those curls or waves and add extra shine. Another plus is the folding handle, which allows for incredibly compact storage. Whether you're tucking it into a suitcase or stowing it away in a drawer, this hairdryer is a true space saver. From my personal experience, I found this dryer to be surprisingly powerful for its size. I've used it on both dry and damp hair, and the airflow is consistent, drying my hair in a fraction of the time compared to some larger models. The lightweight design means I don't feel fatigued holding it up during longer sessions, and the foldable handle makes packing a breeze. I've also used it during my travels, and it's held up well in various hotel rooms, providing fast, effective drying no matter where I am. But no product is without its drawbacks. One thing to note is that while the 75 watts is plenty for most hair types, if you have very thick or long hair, you may need a bit more power for faster drying. Also, while the dual voltage feature is fantastic for travel, the dryer doesn't have the same level of heat control as some high-end models. You won't get the same salon quality results, but for a portable dryer, it performs admirably. Now, let's talk about value for money. At its price point, the Conair Compact Hair Dryer offers solid performance and great portability, making it a good buy for frequent travelers or anyone in need of a secondary dryer. It may not be as powerful as a high-end salon dryer, but for what it offers, especially considering its compact design and dual voltage, it's a reasonable investment for the convenience it provides. When compared to other travel hair dryers on the market, it holds its own in terms of features, such as the cool shot button and dual voltage. Some similar dryers might offer more power or additional styling features, but for its size and price, it definitely holds its ground. In terms of build quality, the materials feel sturdy and the folding handle mechanism works smoothly. This is a well-built dryer that should stand the test of time with proper care. As for longevity, since this is a travel dryer, its durability really depends on how often you use it. But for occasional or frequent travel, I expect this dryer to last quite a while. I haven't needed to contact Conair's customer support for this product, but based on my experience with the brand, their reputation is solid. Conair typically has responsive customer service, and many customers report positive experiences when reaching out. For those seeking alternatives, if you're willing to stretch your budget a bit more, you could look at the Dyson Supersonic, which is a pricier option but offers incredible drying power and sleek design. For a more budget-friendly alternative, the Revlon 1875W Compact Blow Dryer offers similar portability, though it lacks the cool shot button that's a great feature for styling. To sum it all up, the Conair Compact Hair Dryer with folding handle offers great performance, portability, and value, especially for those who travel often or need a smaller dryer for on-the-go styling. It's an excellent option for anyone who prioritizes convenience without compromising too much on drying power. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase the Conair Compact Hair Dryer in the description box or comments below. If you've used this product, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.